Here I go again, on my far away in the kitchen, playing. Just having fun doing a tryout. I want to make some crunchy, decorative additives to the plate when I cook, when we have guests. So I bought these tubular metal containers and I want to wrap them with cooked spaghetti or with raw potato strings because I want to see whether I can create these tubes that I saw on a cooking program. And anyway, so I thought, well, today's the day. I'm going to have a practice. So I got the spaghetti cooked and the oil heated and I wrapped it around one of these cylinders, and it was all right, but the spaghetti was too short. Now that was a bit of a bummer. But then I got my other gadget out and I made some shoestring potatoes and I wrapped that around the tubes and also put that in the oil, and it wasn't too bad. I still need to perfect the art, and getting it off the tube is really hard. I'm sure there's a knack to that, but I'm not really disappointed at the results. So what a great way to spend a Sunday, just playing in the kitchen, having fun. I hope your Sunday was fun too. Though I may not have got the desired result, but I'm getting there, and that's a lot further than where I was yesterday. So happy cooking, everybody. Have fun.